Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. Thought I'd get this done before it gets too hot in here, as it's fluster stuff, you know, wiring and holding up with one hand and trying to do stuff with the other hand and needing a third hand for the screwdriver, so all good fun. It's a bit Heath Robinson, but I see no reason why it shouldn't work. I've put two big screws in here and a wire through the holes to hold the base in place, so that's quite firm and it leans against the wall. And then the weight of the fan allows it to hang forward, and again it's got a wire wrapped around it fixed up to two screws on the roof, and the wire shouldn't interfere with the oscillation, but the proof of the pudding is to turn the flipping thing on, isn't it? That's a much more even airflow than that smaller fan. It's quieter too. Mind you, it is new, I suppose. The oscillation okay? Yeah, it doesn't touch anything. And it looks like it's in the right place too, because obviously there's no point in blowing against the glass, it needs to blow against the plant. So the amount of movement left to right, which can't be adjusted, is the oscillations. I think that's about right. That's not bad first go. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. It's not touching the roof, it's not catching on anything, and it's upright. The other one, the poor old thing, was upside down. It did suffer a bit as a consequence. So it's upright. So it should last longer. It should, you know, it's functioning as it ought to. So it should be okay. Good. Well, the other one obviously works, so I've been using that for a long time. So we've got two now, and that stirs up the air in here, absolutely marvellous. Just as the sun's coming round as well, so that's just good timing. I just got to reset the thermostat, because I actually set that down at a very low temperature on the grounds that I just wanted to press the switch and see if it all works, but be able to turn it off really quickly if anything was catching or not working properly. Yeah, I'm okay with that, so I can reset the thermostat, and I've now got two nice large working fans. Yeah, good stuff, pleased with that. More kit, it's just how it goes. As I say, I've had a lot of kit failure this year, but then some of it I've had an awful long time, and nothing lasts forever, but yeah, I'm pleased that works okay. That's quite sturdy at the base, so as I say, it's wired in place, it can't really move, and although the top part's suspended, the wires can't move because of the weight of the fan leaning forward. Obviously I couldn't have it back against the wall or it wouldn't oscillate. It had to hang free. It had to have some space around it to be able to oscillate. So yeah, pleased with that, that's working.